This video will demonstrate the installation process of Unitree Go2 AIR with the SHARE SLAM S20 series. Make sure the power is off. Use a screwdriver to remove the rear cover. Connect the XT30 plug of the dedicated adapter and press firmly to ensure a tight fit. Reinstall the 2 screws. Place the power base in the center of the mounting kit. Use the mounting kit to clamp both robot shoulders, then tighten the screws to secure the base and mounting kit. Power on the robot. Mount the S20 or S20 SE on the battery base. Connect the adapter data cable to the Type-C port on the base. Check the 2 digital displays in the kit. The values must be between 13 and 16. If the values are outside this range, stop using the device immediately and contact SHARE technical support. After installation, the device is ready to use. During operation, in walking mode, move forward at a steady speed and avoid strong vibration.